See, a lot of clients ask me if I need to put all my assets, like houses when they purchase, stocks, cars, bonds, into a trust account. And my answer to them is always gonna be yes. And that will help you actually to be very specific to who, when, and how you wanted to distribute those assets when you pass away. Living trust account will save a lot of time and a lot of money to your heirs after you pass away. Gonna save them money for attorney's fees, gonna save them time because they will avoid the probate process. And it's really good things to do, and usually the account don't really cost around $1,500 to $2,000. So I highly encourage you to always consider this after you close escrow, to put all your assets into the account.